So welcome to my newest video. Today I'm going to give you an update on my bunny rabbit. So stay tuned. So I got him this house. This beautiful house. Here he is, right? Yeah, S'mores, you doing good? He's doing good. So, this is where he will lay, and that's his food, of course. And this is his area where he can poop and pee and whatever you want to call it. The top does come open so you can bring him in and out. So the top does open like that, and then it's just the inside of the cage. So this is where he can go up, and there's a ramp there. You can open the top and close that door at night. And yeah, that's pretty much the convenience of the cage. So this is the bunny cage. So I did find my laptop, so we won't be having intros for a while. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a big thumbs up. I'll see you all next video. See ya!